remember one client project where my team worked late nights for weeks, yet the final billable hours didn't add up to the effort we'd put in. It wasn't that people weren't working, it was that time was slipping through the cracks. That's when I first heard about Time Doctor. But is it the kind of tool that truly helps you reclaim lost hours, or does it just add pressure? Let's dive in and find out. Time Doctor is one of the most recognized time tracking and productivity management tools out there. It's designed not only to log hours, but also to give companies insight into where time is being spent, whether that's on projects, apps, websites, or client work. It's especially popular with remote teams, outsourcing firms, and freelancers who need accountability. But how does it actually perform in day-to-day business use? Picture yourself managing a distributed team working for multiple clients. Each minute matters, not just for payroll, but also for billing. Without precise tracking, you either lose money or risk overcharging. That's exactly the gap Time Doctor fills. Pricing starts at about $7 per user per month for the basic plan, which gives you time tracking, unlimited screenshots, and activity monitoring. The standard plan costs around $10 per user per month and adds payroll, productivity reports, and integrations with apps like Asana, Trello, and Slack. At the premium level, about $20 per user per month, you unlock advanced features like client login access, video screen captures, and VIP support. For large enterprises, there's also a custom plan tailored to compliance-heavy industries and global teams. What makes Time Doctor stand out is its focus on accuracy. The software doesn't just track time, it shows how it's being used, making it easier to identify distractions or unproductive patterns. It's also powerful for companies that bill by the hour, since it ensures transparency with clients. On the downside, some employees may feel uncomfortable with the screenshot and video capture features if the rollout isn't handled carefully. The interface, while functional, can also feel a little dated compared to sleeker competitors, and the learning curve for new users may take a bit of time. If you're a freelancer or small team needing reliable time tracking, the basic plan is affordable and effective. For teams that juggle multiple clients or rely heavily on integrations, the standard plan offers a solid balance of features and price. And if you run a larger operation where compliance and transparency are non-negotiable, Premium or Enterprise will give you the control you need. The real value comes from how you use the insights to create better work habits, not just monitor them. So that's the honest review of Time Doctor. It's robust, accurate, and especially strong for teams that need to account for every minute, but it works best when combined with trust and clear communication. If this helped you figure out whether Time Doctor is the right fit for your workflow, tap that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.